So I just played a little progression for you that included triads. Triads, that is the first chord we're going to talk about in this course. What is a triad? Of course, triad, you think of the word 3. And if you look at the screen there, there is the major scale with a triad. 3 notes. A triad consists of the 1, the 3, and the 5. The root, which is the same thing as the 1, the 3rd, and the 5th. This is what we call a major triad. And this major triad is built upon C. Major third up from C, then a minor third up from E, which is the G. 1, 3, 5. C major triad, your first chord. C major triad in the key of C is the 1 chord. It's built upon the 1st degree, the 1 chord. Now, if we built another triad, and say we built it on F, 1, 3, 5 in the key of F, F, A, C. This is an F major triad. La, 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 do, mi, so, F, A, C. That would be the 4 chord in the key of C. We're in the key of C. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4 chord, which is F, F major triad. So we have the 1 triad, C major triad, the 4 major triad, which is F major triad. And let's do another one on the key of G. So we have G, upper major third, then upper minor third. G major triad, 1, 3, 5, based upon G. He's your 1, 3, 5, B, G, B, D. G major triad. So we talked about the major triad, and we based that major triad on 3 different notes. C, F, and G, otherwise known as the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. C, F, and G. The major triad, 1, 3, and 5. So next I'd like to talk about the minor triad. We know the major triad has a 1, 3, and a 5 in it. Now the only difference between a major triad and a minor triad is 1 note. It's the 3rd. The 3rd of the scale is E. This is the C triad. That 3rd is E. To make it minor, you just take it down a half step to an E flat. So now you have a 1, a flat 3, and a 5. C minor triad. Hear the difference between minor? Now this is major. Minor. Major. Minor. Major. Okay? Now, if we were to take that and go to F, play F major triad, to make it minor, we just take that 3rd, that middle note there, and go down a half step. Now we have an F minor triad. C minor, F minor, C minor, F minor, C major, F major, C major, F major. the minor triad. 1, flat 3, 5. 1, flat 3, 5. The minor triad. Okay, now we have the minor triad and the major triad. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to sing each pitch of the triad. We'll start with the major triad. Do, mi, so. Sing that with me. Do, mi, so. That's a major triad. La, la, la. Now to do a minor triad, we're just simply taking that third and taking it down a half step. So you have la, la, la. Say la with me this time on a minor triad. La, la, la. If you use solfege, it will be do, me, so. Sing that, do, me, so. Do, me, so. So we have major, do, mi, so, la, la, la. Minor, do, me, so, la, la, la. That's the difference between the two. Kind of a bright sound, kind of a darker sound. Major triad, minor triad. So now I'm going to play a major triad or a minor triad, and you tell me which one it is, major or minor. Here it is again. Here's another one. Major or minor? Major or minor? Here's another one. Major or minor? Here's the fourth one. And here's the last one. Major and minor triads. Major triad, 1, 3, 5. Minor triad, 1, flat 3, 5. Major, minor.